everyone. Good day. How are you all today? It may be morning, afternoon, or it may be night. But anyway, I'm getting ready to clean for my Christmas decorating for 2023. And I'll be using a Sprayed Away for the glass cleaner. And I'll be using the Myers all-purpose cleaner.
Which is lemon flavor.
Okay. So now I'm fixing to get started.
Yeah, we already did that tree and that tree. We already decorated it. And she started on the fireplace somewhere, so she's going to finish it.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Come to Bethlehem and see Him whose birth the angels sing. Come adore on bended knee Christ the Lord, the newborn King. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. See Him in a manger laid, Jesus, Lord of heaven and earth. Mary, Joseph, lend your aid. Sing with us our Savior's birth. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Santa since July. I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself. In a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself. In a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. First flake of snow is set to fall today. It comes to say that Christmas is on its merry way. And for every single child, there's a gift on Santa's sleigh. The first flake of snow is said to fall today. The first snow this winter is promised for this day. It brings a hope of peace, both near and far away. It says we can live together and that we can find a way. The first snow this Christmas is promised for this day. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh, dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle bells.
Those 3 trees came from Walmart, $59 for all 3 of them.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells. open sleigh. O'er the fields we go.
Hey y'all, she's just using a black blanket for the bottom of the tree.
And that's where she be.
Bells on
Hey y'all,
bobtails
so there she could use a blanket.
making spirits
Okay y'all, she just got another blanket she's gonna use for the
it is to laugh
skirt.
and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells,
Yes.
jingle bells, jingle all the way.
That's that right there.
Oh, what fun it
Hey, y'all.
is to
The balls got to
ride
be
in a
moved, the girls did.
one-horse open sleigh.
Okay y'all,
Oh, what fun
she's gonna finish
it
decorating
is
the
to ride in a
mantle over there.
one-horse open sleigh. Let's go outside. The snow is falling down, and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine.
Ribbon.
We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
Home tour. It'll all come together better. Okay.
Okay, this is the final of decorating the front living room area. So I hope you all will enjoy this. It's beautiful, really beautiful. And it's been a lot of time and work put in here also. So I hope you all will enjoy this. We won't be ready with the dining and kitchen area till later on in the week. But I thank you for watching at least watching the living room area. Thank you so much. With all my love. Christmas 2023, Miss Lena's Kitchen. This is a beautiful, beautiful living room area for this 2023. Thank you so much. May God bless you all. Miss Lena's Kitchen, welcome everyone into the door. Come on in and have a Merry Christmas. A very, very Merry Christmas. Thank you so much. Goodbye with all my love.
It tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind. I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day.
Place me batteries.
And it's snowing, it's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good